Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be doing a shared room tour. I don't know how the tour is going to be, but I am going to be doing a shared room tour in Castlesford. I used to get lots of messages from my previous videos where I used to do house tour. So many comments like more house tour, more house tour, more house tour. Guys, it's hard now. UK is hard. There's no houses again. I live in West Yorkshire, yeah. So some persons used to email me on Instagram to help them search for house. Guys, I'm not an agent. And mind you, the fact I live in West Yorkshire does not mean I live in Scotland. And that does not mean I live in Wales. Do you understand? I live in West Yorkshire. Do not expect me to help you like with house hunting. It's not possible, to be honest. So before, I used to help people, moving to Huddersfield town where I live in. I used to help them search for houses, that kind of a thing. But now there's no such thing. To be honest, most of these housing letting agents, I used to call them any empty house or I have someone looking for house. Honestly, most of the time they'll tell me, oh, there's no house in Huddersfield. There's no house in Huddersfield. We don't have any house in Huddersfield. So honestly speaking, it is hard. That is why lately I've not been doing empty house tour. So if you want me to help you search for a house, to be honest, there's nothing I can do. It's difficult now. Anyways, today's video is sponsored by Amber Student Accommodation. So if you're planning to relocate abroad, accommodation is very, very important. So this video is for you. Hi guys, so today's video is sponsored by Amber Student Accommodation. So are you planning to travel abroad? If yes, this video is definitely for you because getting accommodation abroad can be really challenging. Why you all need to check out Amber. Amber is a platform through which students can book accommodation near their universities. Our Southeast Asian largest student accommodation provider. They are currently operational in 100 cities in Australia, and in Europe we've got Denmark, France, Germany, Ireland, Spain, UK and more. And in the United States, they've got more than 20,000 listings on their platform. Can you believe that? You all need to check out Amber Student Accommodation. It is very challenging to get accommodation, especially if you're moving to a new country. That is why you all need to check out Amber Student Accommodation. I am going to leave a link for easy access. Now, how it works, students will have seamless booking experience with Amber Students. One is search. Students can choose from wide range of options according to their preference, including from low to high budget option and flexibility in size. So they've got the ensuite, studio, sharing. It just depends on what you're looking for. So let's say you're going with your friends, you can go for the option of sharing. I mean, you can share with your friend, isn't it? So it just depends on what you're looking for. So don't be scared about their prices. They've got different options. All you need to do is check out their website and go for what you can afford. So number 2 is finalize. They provide students with round-the-clock free and personalized assistance each step of the way. Lastly is booking. So the executive will not only be with your student through every step of the way, but will also take care of the cumbersome paperwork. I know how challenging all these paperwork can be. It can be so plenty. Sign this, do this. Don't worry, Amber Student has got you covered. They will support you each step of the way, so do not panic. And the good thing about Amber Student is that their customer service are so amazing. So you can see on the screen some of their apartments. They've got lovely, amazing apartments. Like I said, it's not just in the UK, they've got in other countries. All you need to do is to click on that link on the description below and search. So guys, that is it for Amber Student Accommodation. Click on the link on the description below to book for your accommodation. So guys, let's go to Castlesford. Let me show you guys this £500 shared house. Yes, let's go guys.
Life just sucks sometimes, it's true. He loves to mess around with all our plans. Fuck me. What the fuck? Go.
Hi guys, so I am finally here. Let me show you guys what the environment here looks like. This place looks really quiet. Can you see? Can you guys see? In fact, let me show you guys very well. Can you see guys? It's along the road though, but the environment is very quiet. What do you guys think about the price of this shared house? Price of this shared house is quite expensive, but yeah, let's go in. Come on, let's go now. Let's go. So this is the hallway. This is the stairs to. There are 3 more bedrooms upstairs. Is it 3 or 2? I don't know. But I can't go there now because I mean it's a shared house. Everybody has their own room. So come in now. Come in. So this is the room. So this is the size of the room. The size of the room. Okay. This is a double bed. You know, we go people now and they like to say one bed, single bed, double bed. Yeah, so this is a double bed and this is what the room looks like. So for those of you that used to ask me, can you live with your partner or with your child in a shared room? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure of that because most of the time they just want a single person per room. The price of this room is $498. In fact, approximately £500. That is what I call it. Honestly speaking, this house is expensive for me. Guys, this house is expensive for that price. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very expensive. Approximately £500. This is what the toilet looks like. Can you guys see? So this is, look at the tiny bathroom. This is what we see in the UK. Everything expensive. And that's the wardrobe. Yeah, that's just basically what it is. And that is your personal fridge. That is another good thing about this apartment. At least you don't have to share your freezer with anybody. But aside from it, this room is expensive. I'm not gonna lie, it's very expensive. So yes, let's go to the kitchen. So now this is the hallway, guys. Is it hallway or corridor? I don't even know what to call it. So this is what it looks like. Keep coming. And voila, here is the kitchen. And they've got their washing machine here. Well, guys, what do you guys think about this house? For me, I think it's okay, but it's expensive. One thing I know is that house is in Castlesford. It's very, very expensive. So, guys, what do you guys think about this house? 498, almost £500. For me, it's very expensive. I'm not gonna lie. Although it's a white community, I guess that is why it's expensive. And for my African people, if you're planning to relocate here, just know that there's no African shop. There is no African shop. You have to go to Leeds or just somewhere around to get your African food stuff. But aside from it, this house is okay, but the price is a bit too high. And they've got camera in this place. In fact, let me show you guys what the kitchen looks like and their balcony. So guys, I'm really sorry about that background noise. It was from the washing machine. Yeah. So like I said, Castlesford is a white community. I think that is why their houses are kind of expensive, because for me, shared house for £500 is a lot. That's what I think. So leave me a comment your thoughts on this house. And this is a 3-bedroom house and they shared what's it called, they shared the same kitchen. Well, this is their balcony. This is what their balcony looks like. The good thing again about this building is that you have your own toilet, I think, which is not too bad, to be honest, because some persons that share house, they share the same toilet. So at least they've got a spacious balcony, or should I say a backyard or back garden. I don't know what to call it. So guys, that is it for this shared house. Leave me a comment your thoughts on this. Is the price worth it? If yes, leave me a comment. The corridor is so tiny, I'm not even gonna lie. Anyways, I've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and fun, do not forget to do the needful: like, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.